Students, good morning. Today I am going to explain the lesson number 6. You know the EVS the EVS is divided into two parts, science and social. Today I am going to social, lesson number 6, my house. So once again I revive this lesson. So what is house? The living area is known as house, no? So in this lesson we learn about our house, what is in house, which are the parts of the house, which are the places distance from our house in our locality, which is near, which is far, which is very far. So these are all the important things we learn in this lesson. So you see in the picture there are so many members in this house, no? A grandfather, a grandmother, a father, mother, and children's. Understood? So there are so many pictures also. In picture there is a garden, trees, school, a house. So in the garden a lady plucked the flowers, and another one is put to the water for plants, and one old lady she combed the child. So a old person sitting on the bench. No, these are all the things we see in this picture. So you know whose this house is? It is a Radha's house. In this lesson, whose house is? It is a Radha's house. How many members in Radha's house? Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members are there. What are they doing? You know that two children are playing with a dog. So there are different types of houses. So in this house there are windows. When you call that house, there are so many features of houses are featured characters or house. When you say that house, that is some characteristics are very important. There is a door, windows, no? So in this house, in Radha's house, how many doors are there? There is a one door, understood? And how many windows? There are two windows. Who are the members in your family? You also write first you listen about the members in your family. First you must understand about your family. Understood? You write who are the members commonly. Who are the members of the family? Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt. So these are all the members of the family. And also in some families they domesticated the animals. Which are the domesticated animals? Cat, dog, understood? And also cow, ox, horse. So these are all the domestic animals. In some houses the peoples domesticate these animals near the house. And also children, how many you must know about your house first. How many windows, how many doors, understood? So here is another house is given. This house is Raja's house. Observe this picture. So Raja's house, what is very near to the Raja's house? Which is the near to the Raja's house? Well is very near to the Raja's house. What is near to the Raja's house? A tree, understood? And where is the school? School is far from the Raja's house. And what is the very far from the Raja's house? Mountain, understood? So these are the characteristics of Raja's house. So it is a beautiful house of Raja. So and also children, you put the mark correct here. There are 8 points are given: place, very near, far, and very far. So it is like a activity. Understood? First you write friend's house. Where is your friend's house? Near for your house, or very near, or far, or very far. You tick where is it. Next, hand pump or street tap. Where it is? It is near to the house, or far, or very far. You tick the school like this: school, shop, Anganwadi, well, bus station, office, hospital. So you make a chart and tick the mark where it is. Understood? First you know about the what is a very near to your house, what is a near to your house, what is a far from your house, what is very far from the house, what is near to your house, and what is far from your house. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಚಾಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯೋ, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು. ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ activity. Understood? So there is one song is given for a house, lovely house. My house is white, a lovely house, with doors and windows green, lots of trees big and small, to shade me from the sun. I laugh and play the whole day long. Happy child I am. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಗು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರಿಂದು, ಅಂದರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೇನಿದೆ? ಡೋರ್ಸ್, ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತ ಮರಗಿಡಗಳಿದೆ, ಕೆಲವು ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಬಿಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಟು ಶೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಐ ಲಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಡೇ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ರಾಧಾ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ರೀಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ means from this lesson. The hard words are given. In those who are not right, you complete the first lesson. This is the first lesson of social science. Understood? Some keywords are given. Father. First you learn about the words with spelling. Father means Tande. Father. Father. Next, mother. 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 Brother. Brother. Sister. 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 Grandfather. Grand. Grandfather. Father. Father. Grandmother. Grand. Mother. Water. Water. House. House. Tree. 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 So these are all the important words in this lesson. They are also called as hard words. And also, children's house, there are so many types of house are there. There are so many types of houses. A house made up of the snow is called igloo. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? The house is made up of snow ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ igloo ಅಂತಾರೆ. The tent is made up of canvas. Houses on hills have sloping roofs because the ಹಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೌಸಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಫ್ಸು ಸ್ಲೋಪಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹಿಲ್. ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಡರ್ಟಿ? ಕ್ಲೀನಾ? ಸೊ Eskimos are live in, who lives in igloos? Eskimos live in igloos. Houses on the plains have flat roof or slopy roof. They are flat roofs. Caravana is the house of wheels. And hut is made up of mud. So wrong one you must be cancelled. Understood? Cancel the wrong one. So these are all the things we learn. Revise once again we revise the first lesson, my house. Understood, children? So I think all of you understand about this lesson. In next class I will continue. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.